Been waiting for her for years. And now, she's finally here. Let's check it out. Hi. Today we're unboxing a 1971 Plymouth Hemi Cuda. The scale is 1/18, customized by YCID as an exclusive release. The manufacturer is Acme, and the item number is A1806126VTY. Speaking of exclusive releases, this is one of only 96 models. So let's dig in. American style. The transition might have been a bit much, but there's a reason for it. The Barracuda is my favorite American muscle car of all time, and Plymouth is my favorite brand or make. I know most people associate Mustangs and Camaros with American muscle, but I mean, those lines. Aside from the Barracuda, the repertoire of muscle in Plymouth's lineup throughout the years is just awesome. The Fury, the GTX, the Superbird, the Duster, and of course, the Roadrunner. And that's without mentioning the other muscle cars and variations on the ones I listed. We still have Dodge, yes, but I miss Plymouth. Even the font in my channel's logo is the same one Plymouth used in their brand. Here's a super clean 1971 Plymouth Barracuda in sassy green. The rally wheels are pretty awesome, and they're synonymous with muscle cars. They are steerable, and they look even better with the Goodyear tires. The door handles are well made, but the billboards are my favorite feature on the exterior of this car. YCID, which is short for Your Car in Diecast, is a business which specializes in the conversion and customization of specific Acme models. This was the first time I bought from those guys, and so far, the model looks pretty neat. If I remember correctly, there were 4 variations of this Cuda on the seller's website, and to me, this one looked the most desirable. This Cuda is as close to perfection a muscle car can be, in my opinion, and Acme did a wonderful job expressing that view on this model. Here's me being extra careful so I wouldn't scratch the paint. Got him. The color is a beautiful in-violet poly. The Hemi engine made 425 horsepower at 5,000 RPM and 490 pound-feet of torque at 4,000 RPM. Its capacity is 426 cubic inch or 7 liter. Well, 6.98 liter if you're a stickler. If I haven't said it 37 times already in this video, I really love Cudas, and it's hard for me to dislike even the average models. This one, however, is not average at all. The smooth paint on this model is amongst the best I've seen, and it's definitely a hit in my book. I know I won't own any of these in real life, but one can only dream. And that's that.